New batter, Riyan Parag, in the form of his life. 21 years young. He's been around. Oh, that's for 4. That's a glorious shot. That is class for you. Just a tad shot maybe, but who's the name? It's Riyan Parag.
Beautifully played by Riyan Parag. Waited for it and then extended his arms.
बढ़िया शॉट है ये. शॉर्ट आर्म पुल, ज्यादा बैकलिफ्ट ऊपर गई नहीं, जहां तक गई थी वहीं से बड़ी जोर से बल्ला तेज रफ्तार से नीचे आया और सही जगह ढूंढी आपने शॉट खेलने के लिए.
Edged, and that'll fly away to the boundary. A fielder is giving the chase, but the ball will win it. This time in control of it, and he just swats it away for a boundary. Oh, this is asking for trouble. He's just smashed it over the line. That's a big 6. Riyan Parag is turning it on. A 4 followed by a 6, and that 6 takes him past the 50 mark. Successive centuries, and then followed it up with the half century. And if this is how they're going to bowl at him, and if he pulls off shots like this, he may well go on to make his third 100 as well.
और यही कबीरप्पा को थोड़ा सा समझदार होना है, क्योंकि पहली गेंद पे जब बाउंसर था तब आश्चर्यचकित रह गए थे वो. अब तो वो तैयार खड़े हैं पहले ही पीछे.
Phenomenal cricketer. That's a superb shot. That's a huge one. He's been waiting on the back foot, and that's out of the ground. That's in the middle of Riyan Parag's bat.
छोटी डिलीवरी और वहीं पर जहां फील्डर भी मौजूद था उसके ऊपर से, और ये कॉन्फिडेंस दिखाता है, ये फॉर्म दिखाता है एक बल्लेबाज की कि मालूम है कि हाइट ज्यादा नहीं थी, फील्डर वहां मौजूद था, उसके सर के ऊपर से कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल कि मेरा शॉट अगर जाएगा तो ऊपर से ही जाएगा.
Beautiful shot. What an outstanding shot. And that's gone for 4. That's a big shot. That's his ability. That's the reason why Kumar Kushagra needs to get him more into strike.
कमाल का शॉट. छोटी डिलीवरी आप नहीं डाल सकते. ये शॉट्स बहुत खेले हैं. छोटी डिलीवरी जो कमर हाइट पे है उसका नतीजा यही होगा. ये शॉट बहुत बढ़िया खेलते हैं. खराब गेंद का इंतजार कर रहे हैं और ये तो बाहर मार दिया है. ये शॉट का इंतजार कर रहे थे, यही बॉल का इंतजार कर रहे थे. थोड़ा छोटा देखा और बहुत बेहतरीन शॉट मिड विकेट के ऊपर से 6 रन के लिए.
How good is the shot selection? Waiting. The moment it's a little bit short, he just rocks back and hits it purposely up in the air because he knows he's got enough power in that shot to clear the boundary easily. Exceptional batting from this young man.
That won't be enough if they keep dishing out short stuff like this, and if Riyan Parag keeps dispatching the ball over the rope time and again. Quicker delivery, he thinks he's got him. Was there a neck contact? No! Parasan Joshi had a long look and then he declared Riyan Parag like before.
रिव्यू लीजिए. निश्चित तौर पे रिव्यू लेना चाहिए.
TV umpire director, we have a player review for LBW. On-field decision is out. Pitching outside off, impact in line and wicket sitting. Going back to Parashar on field. Parashar, stay with your decision of out. You're on screen signal out now.
He's dismissed for 95. Playing back to a fuller length delivery. Missing the ball completely.
थोड़ा सा पीछे भी खेल गए, बल्ले का चेहरा भी जल्दी बंद कर दिया और बिल्कुल स्टंप की लाइन में थे आप. शानदार पारी, यहां समाप्त हुई. 95 रन बनाए.